Subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon to get updated with Bobas Aviation. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Bobas Aviation. This is Debojit. With times, the value or importance of a machine fades away after the arrival of better, more efficient and advanced technology machines. In today's video, I will tell you about an extraordinary fighter jet MiG-21, which was once used to be the best fighter jet in the defense crafts, and why these aircrafts are known as flying coffins. Before starting the video, I want to tell you that I have a Facebook and Instagram page where you can follow to get aviation related posts and updates.
Take your seats for landing. Thank you.
The MiG-21 is a supersonic fighter jet which was manufactured by Soviet Union company called Miko and Gurevich (MiG). The aircraft made its first flight on 14 February 1956 and introduced in 1959. The aircraft was commissioned in Indian Air Force in 1964. Not only Indian Air Force but approximately 60 countries have been operating the aircraft from the past 6 decades. MiG-21 used to be the best fighter jet in 1960s-70s, participated in various wars and also gave a very nice performance. But with time, the aircraft involved in a lot of crash accidents from the past few decades. The aircraft got the name of flying coffin or widowmaker because of these incidents. In Indian Air Force, almost 180 pilots have been killed since 1970s and more than 40 civilians in the MiG-21 crashes.
My name is Commodore Meet Kumar. I am posted to 18 wing. Right now I am a 26 Con warrior and I have been flying this beautiful machine called MiG-21.
Squadron leader Meet Kumar expired in the MiG-21 crash at Kangra. In Indian Air Force, MiG-21 serves as an interceptor aircraft. Now, if an aircraft is involved in so many crashes like in Jalandhar, Jammu Kashmir, Kangra and many others, then why is it still used in the Indian Air Force? Well, Indian Air Force was using three variants of MiG-21, MiG-21 FL, MiG-21 PF, which were fully decommissioned in 2013 and 2014 respectively. Most of these aircrafts when decommissioned are given to government buildings, amusement parks and educational institutions. I was so lucky to see one of these in our college. But the third type of MiG-21, which is called MiG-21 Bison, are still in operation and to be retired by 2022. The MiG-21 was planned to be replaced by LCA Tejas. Because of that, the Indian Air Force introduced the Tejas program. But the LCA Tejas are not fully produced in numbers to replace MiG-21. Moreover, Russia stopped manufacturing the aircraft model after 1985, so many parts are not fully available. Most of the parts are repaired and reused in the aircrafts. Again, the landing speed of the aircraft is very high, which is approximately 350 km per hour, which needs parachute brakes and can be flown by skilled pilots. But with the upcoming of LCA Tejas and Dassault Rafale, the MiG-21 will be replaced soon. Although MiG-21 involved in various fatal crashes, but it was a very successful fighter jet during its era. So this was the video about the Soviet Union's MiG-21 and the reasons why it is called flying coffin or widowmaker. I hope you liked the video. If you do, then press the like button, share the video and do comment down below your opinions. See you in another video of Bobas Aviation. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind.